Let's start. Season your pork with salt, pepper, Lee Kum Kee premium soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sesame oil. Add a tablespoon of cornstarch, then mix very well. This is ready. Let's cook this up. In a pan, drizzle some sesame oil, then saute your pork. Add in your onions, then continue sauteing. Add in about a tablespoon of premium soy sauce and oyster sauce, then again, mix very well. Add in your Chinese cooking wine and be extra careful. You'll see. See? Next, time to add in your water, about 3 cups. Let this boil, then add in your Knorr Cubes and green peas. Mix very well and let this cook until the pork is tender. Let this reduce and add some cornstarch to thicken it up. Then it's time for the plate up. In a bowl, flatten up your rice, then top it off with the steamed rice sauce. And voila! The Kum Kee Steamed Rice done.